Hello students, hope you all are doing well and safe at home. We have already started our very first chapter of biology, class 10th ICSC, that is cell cycle, and in our previous description we have discussed about the basic information of cell organelles as well as about the phases of cell cycle. In our previous description we got to know that cell cycle has two phases, interphase and mitotic phase. We have already discussed about the interphase, but today we will discuss about the mitotic phase. But before that, we should know one thing, that the cell division was first coined by Walter Hemming, a German scientist, in 1882, and it is only transpire in somatic cell. We know that cell divides and it forms tissue, and then tissue forms organ, and ultimately an organism formed. But in all the cases, number of chromosomes remains same in the daughter cell. There are mainly two phases of cell cycle, interphase and mitotic phase. We have already discussed about the interphase, that it has three main subphases, G1, S and G2. If any mistake made in mitotic cell division, then there is a change in it, the number of DNA, and this leads to genetic disorder. Okay, now we will discuss about the phenomenon occurs in mitotic cell division and in its different subphases. What happened in mitotic cell division? In the very first phase, prophase, what happened? The first phase of mitotic cell division, that is prophase, we all know that nucleus contains thread-like structure called chromatin, and which contain DNA. In early prophase, chromatin condenses to form chromosome, that is coiling of genetic material takes place, and chromosome condensed into X-shaped structure, and they are held at centromere. Now, when chromosomes are condensed and it forms X-shaped structure, it held together at a point that is called centromere. This centromere are surrounded by a special type of complex protein which is called kinetochore. Kine means division and core means jaw. This kinetochore allows the two chromosomes, a pair of chromosome, and it separates the pairing of chromosome. And in late prophase, what happened? Nuclear membrane gradually disappears so that it can release the chromosome inside it, and centrioles are started to move towards the pole, and also spindle fiber forms in this stage. Metaphase stage, chromosome line up neatly one by one at the middle of along the middle of the cell, and centriole now at the opposite pole of the cell with mitotic spindle fiber. The mitotic spindle fiber attached to each of the sister chromatids. This, and again after that, in anaphase, the sister chromatid are then pulled apart by the mitotic spindle, which pulls one chromatid to one pole and other chromatid to the opposite pole. Now, at the telophase, at each pole of the cell, a full set of chromosomes gathered together. A membrane forms around each set of chromosomes to create two new nuclei. The single cell then pinches in the middle to form two separate daughter cells, each containing a full set of chromosomes within a nucleus. This process is known as cytokinesis. In this way, cell divides and it forms its two identical cells. How cell divides? We got to know that all the somatic cell undergoes this cell division at very first phase, interphase, and then it undergo a mitotic cell division. In mitotic cell division, there are four phases. The first phase is prophase, in which nuclear membrane gradually disappears, centriole moves towards the poles, and also spindle fibers are formed. And then in metaphase, all the chromosomes are lined across the middle of the cell, and then in anaphase, these chromosomes are pulled towards the pole, and then at the pole, in the last phase, at the pole, all the chromosome has its own nucleus, an individual nucleus, and the cell pinches at the middle, and it again divides into two. Cytoplasm divides into two identical cells, and this division of cytoplasm is called cytokinesis, and in this way cell division occurs. Now in our another video we will discuss about the meiosis cell division. Okay, I hope you like this video, students, and if you have any query, please ask your question in my comment box. And please, if you haven't go through my previous videos, then go through it so that you can better understand our further videos.